Now, as part of the state's $254 billion budget deal, changes, as I said, are coming to New York's discovery law.
That's right. The governor said that the reforms fix gaps in the state's evidence sharing rule, gaps that prosecutors say were causing cases to collapse. CBS 6's Brianna Supardi joins us live outside the Capitol to break down those changes and what it means for the courts. Bree.
Guys, we know that the issue of discovery dominated and stalled budget negotiations for weeks. The governor and prosecutors say that the 2019 reforms to the law led to unintended consequences like longer case processing and even dismissals over minor technicalities. With the changes coming in this budget, they're hoping to fix those loopholes.
Because of some technicality or some duplicative piece of evidence that's not there, some time frame not met, some minor time frame, that those have stopped cases from going forward, that era is over.
The discovery law overhaul was one of the governor's top priorities in this year's budget talks. And while the final language of the budget isn't out yet, she met with the Albany County District Attorney and his team to celebrate the reforms.
It's going to allow us to get to the merits of a case a lot faster. It's going to cut down on unnecessary litigation, which for us here upstate was a giant problem.
New York's discovery law has been a flashpoint since it was overhauled back in 2019, requiring prosecutors to turn over vast amounts of evidence early in the case. But critics argued it led to a wave of cases being dismissed.
Well, how the law is now is if you fail to turn over even one piece of material, you're looking at likely dismissal of the entire case.
But under the changes outlined in the budget deal, judges can choose not to dismiss a case if prosecutors can prove they made a good faith effort to turn over the evidence.
What we're going to see now with these amendments, there's going to be a condensed timeline for the defense to object to what we've turned over. And the defense is going to have to sit down with the prosecution if they think something's missing.
The 2019 reforms were designed to enhance fairness and transparency. So some criminal justice advocates argue that these changes could roll back hard-won protections and tilt the system in favor of the prosecutors. The Legal Aid Society has voiced some concerns about these changes, but for now they are waiting to share their final reaction until the budget's final language is out. Reporting in Albany, Brianna Supardi, CBS 6 News.